Hi there, welcome back to math class. Today, let's solve the following problems. There is a dog put on a leash in the wood fence of the shepherd cottage, which size is 10-meter length and 12-meter width. Find the area in which the dog can move around. As you can see here, the dog can start from point A, then goes to point B. After that, to point C, and ends at point D. If you notice that the area where the dog is walking is 3 out of 4 large circles and 1 out of 4 small circles. We can find the area which the dog can move around by using circle formula. We can write area is equal to pi times radius square. Now let's answer this question. We have to determine the radius of both circles. As you can see here, the radius of large circle is 12. We have to find the radius of small circle. We can find the radius of small circle by subtract 12 by 10. So we can write radius 1 is equal to 12 meter and the second radius is 2 meter. Now we have all information that we need. Now let's find the answer. Area 1. We can write 3 out of 4 times pi times radius square is equal to 3 out of 4 times 3.14 times 12 times 12. We can divide 12 by 4. So we can write 9 times 3.14 times 12. So the answer is 339.12 meters square. Now let's go to the second area. We can write 1 out of 4 times pi times radius square is equal to 1 out of 4 times 3.14 times 2 times 2. By using the same way, the answer is 3.14 meters square. Now we have area 1 and area 2. To find the total area, we have to add area 1 with area 2. We can write 339.12 plus 3.14. So the area of the dog can move around is 342.26 meters square. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.